Good morning, students. Let's start our studies with very new topic, that is chapter number 7. Let us solve our problem. Let's see what all problems are given in the picture. My area get water only thrice a day. It shows the problem is related with water. Second problem. The garbage has piled up. I have to walk to school with my nose covered. Oh my God, see how the garbage is piled up the roadside. So, the area is not cleaned by the municipal corporation. Here, I feel like riding my bicycle to school every day, but there is no bicycle track. So, it's a problem for the children to go to school because there is no proper road. Next, my father has to visit the taluka place every day for some dispute over the land. Why his father used to go to taluka? Yes, to discuss about the land. That means to solve the problem related to land. So you can see here the problem arises due to many factors. So students, what does problem means? Yes, difficulty in dealing situation. That is, in Hindi we call samasya. What are the different problems of civics life? Yes, shortage of water, improper road, and improper garbage management. Next, what does the problem lead to? Now, because of this problem, what does it lead to? It lead to issue. It lead to issue in civics life. So, what is issue? Once again, is a great problem to understand the meaning of issue. So, what does issue mean? Issue means subject of discussion. Okay, issue is a particular subject on which large group of people gather together to discuss on particular topic. Problem related to civics life. Water shortage. Water stagnant on road causes malaria. Garbage piled up in our locality. Issue in civics life. We encounter many problems in our civics life. These problems causes us inconvenience. Sometimes our life is thrown into disorder. If we turn a blind eye towards the problem, they become worst. So, it is best to solve them in time. The problem faced by the people in cities and villages can be called problem or issue in civics life. If it is important to be able to identify such issue, one person alone cannot handle such problem. They can be solved through everyone's efforts and cooperation. Solving disputes. Dispute arising over various issues in our towns and villages can be a problem. The well-being of a village is affected by constant dispute. It leads to loss of unity and obstruct the progress of villages. If the disputes are not serious, they can be solved locally by speaking to the party involved. However, if the dispute is not solved in this way, it has to be taken to the appropriate bodies or the court. Mahatma Gandhi Dispute Free Village Mission. Aim of this scheme. Villages should be able to solve their own dispute through peaceful discussion. Peaceful discussion. Students, this method of solving dispute increases harmony in the village. Villages which have solved this dispute by using this method also get a peace award. In this city, Mohalla community helped to solve the dispute. Hiware Bazar. In the village of Hiware Bazar in Ahmednagar district, water shortage was a big problem. This problem was solved with the help and participation of villagers. The problem of animal feed was also solved. Now, Hiware Bazar has lush green surrounding. Here is some picture of Hiware Bazar. Participation of villagers in solving the water shortage problem. Problem of animal feed was also solved. Hiware Bazar has a lush green surrounding. Cleaning a village through Ramadan. The peoples of Kudwadi village in Osmanabad district clean their village through Ramadan or voluntary contribution of labor. They decided that everyone should help in cleaning the village. First, the wastewater was dealt with. The garbage was used to make manure using vermiculture. A toilet was built in each house. Sant Gadge Baba used kirtan to stress the importance of keeping the village clean. He told the people that we cannot make progress without cleanliness, education and self-reliance. He showed people how to clean the village through this own action. Rashtrasan Tukdoji Maharaj explained the importance of cleanliness through his Gram Gita. Here are some picture of Rashtrasant Gadge Baba, Rashtrasant Tukdoji Maharaj and Sant Gadge Baba. Shramadhan, a way of participative governance. Shramadhan हेच श्रेष्ठदान. Sant Gadge Baba give importance to cleanliness, education and self-reliance. स्वच्छ भारत, स्वच्छता गो भारत अभियान. Rashtrasant Tukdoji Maharaj explained the importance of cleanliness through his Gram Gita. Students, let's revise the lesson. Everyone has responsibility to solve the problem in civics life. Problem can be solved if everyone cooperates. Dialogue and discussion can help solve dispute. Dispute can be solved peacefully. If there is peace in the family, school and society, everyone benefits. Peace is a social value. So students, I am finishing this lesson by revising it, and you have to go with the activity in your workbook. And if you don't have workbook, you can write the home assignment in notebook. Students, you have to carry out this activity for chapter number 7 in your workbook. If you don't have workbook, you have to write it down in your notebook.